Slide number 65. We have learned what is called intervals. But we'll have to know not only the intervals between one or two notes, the complete piano keys were 7 plus 5. Plus the 8th note, suppose if it is C, again C. So this picture, the graphic, is giving you the complete picture of the keys involvement in creating a piano or a keyboard for us to play. If we see, start from C, end with C, you see on the capital letters on the top. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But the black keys have been shown as C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, and between E and F, no keys. Again, F sharp and G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat, and B and C, no keys. This made the theory of music to understand that intervals are very easily understandable. How? If you skip this black key, suppose C to D means you have skipped one sound. So that's called the intervals. Interval. So interval. So that is half step. Semitone, 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 semitone. So moving in half step, it's called semitone and the interval. So between C to D is the second note from C. C to F, the fourth note because C, D, E, F. So this is how the intervals are understood. And they are the sounds. And these black keys have two names. From C, if you go up, it's called C sharp. From D, if you come backwards, it's called D flat. And they are called the enharmonic notes.